Heaven just knows what it was. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
네, 저 최근에 책을 읽기 시작했어요. 저 집에 있는데 집에 가고 싶다라는 책을 읽기 시작했는데 굉장히 저에게 많은 위로가
된 책이지.
많은 그 공감의 말들을 해주더라고요. 근데 아직까지 책 표지밖에 안 읽었습니다.